and good morning, Mexico. So now we are in the factory in Mexico. This is the first factory in Latin America. Okay, we buy a big piece of land here. Okay, afterward I'm going to show you that we have a factory now. Okay, and you can see that we also have enough land here. Okay, enough land here to for the future expansion of the factory. Okay, so now this is the Mexico factory. You can see that it's Spanish there, one world, one market. Okay, now with this factory, okay, we already kickstart the production of coffee. Coffee is a first phase. We're going to do the coffee. After that, we're going to do this fruit juice and the noni juice. Okay, and we are going to plant the spirulina here. So we are going to have a spirulina, and we are also going to have a mushroom here. So basically, in Mexico, we are going to repeat what we are doing in Malaysia. Now, why are we doing so? Okay, the reason is very simple. For the stability of the market, if we can produce here and I show you the same best quality, okay, then we save a lot of import-export problem in this Latin America. In that place, then we can have a very stable market. So from here we can expand not only in Latin America, we can also go to this America, and we can also go to this Europe. Okay, like many factories here, they even send their goods to Europe. No? So it's not a problem for us. Okay, so I hope you like this factory. Okay,